Hi, my name is Alan Blackburn.
And I am Seth Musco. Welcome to Mechatronics Engineering Technology. The goal of our program is to help the students learn the theory and science behind how things work and how to keep them working.
So we start off with the basics of AC/DC, not the band, but electricity. The students learn about basic electrical components as well as how to use various meters and types of test equipment like multimeters and oscilloscopes. We also include a study of semiconductors like LEDs and digital electronics.
Then we see how we can get AC and DC to do work for us by learning about various types of motors. These include DC, single-phase AC, three-phase AC, universal, stepper, and servo motors. Once we have learned about the different motors, we then move to controlling the motors. Some basic control elements include contactors, push buttons, and overload relays, which the students learn to wire into various combinations to provide different levels of control, like forward and reverse.
Next, we switch gears and learn the basics of fluid control. This includes hydraulic systems, which are used throughout industry to do really heavy work, such as forklifts and backhoes. Hydraulic systems can be dirty, so we study another fluid power system called pneumatics. Pneumatics use air, which is cleaner than the oil used in hydraulics. So we bring together these systems to learn how to create automated versions using programmable logic controllers, or they're more commonly referred to as PLCs. These devices allow easy design of control systems and are used extensively in industry to automate manual control schemes.
From the moment the students enter our class, they have the potential to earn college credit through an agreement with RAC, Reading Area Community College. Through this agreement, our students can earn 14 credits in the first 2 years at BCTC and then earn up to 12 additional credits as a senior by attending RAC up to 3 days a week. Some of these credits are transferable to other four-year universities where students can continue to attend RAC and complete their mechatronics degree.
And our students have historically gone down one of two paths after leaving the program. About half go to college to pursue an engineering degree such as electrical, mechanical, or civil engineering, and the other half go into industry as an entry-level maintenance or skilled operator position. Our students are sought after by local industry for the skills they obtain in this program. Some of the local manufacturers who have hired our graduates are like East Penn Manufacturing, Avancion, Tymet, and Mitsubishi Chemical. This program gives them options. They can graduate from BCTC, earning a very respectable starting salary, or they can go directly to college to earn one of many types of engineering degrees. Besides that, who wouldn't want to build these?
For more information about this program, please visit the program page at www.brookscareer.com.